This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. Okay, so in this video we're going to be going through this example here, which asks us to find cosine 210 degrees in surd form. So when we're asked a question like this, the first thing we want to do is just draw a rough diagram of the angle. So over here, if we just draw our angle of 210 degrees, we know the 210 degrees is going to be somewhere down here. So this angle here is 210 degrees. The reason we do this is that we want to know which quadrant the angle ends in, so that we can use our cast to work out whether cosine is going to be positive or negative in that quadrant. So using the cast, we see that our angle of 210 degrees is in the third quadrant, and that means that cosine is negative, because cosine is negative in this third quadrant. So the next thing we need to do is work out our reference angle, but I'm just going to write up here. So cosine is negative in third quadrant. Now our reference angle is always the angle that is in between our angle of 210 degrees, so this line here, the angle that's between this line and the x-axis along here. So what that's asking us to find is this angle here. And this angle can be found by realizing that it's just going to be 210 degrees minus 180 degrees, which is 30 degrees. So this is the information we want. So we have cosine is negative in the third quadrant, and our reference angle is 30 degrees. So therefore we can say, cosine of 210 degrees is the same as minus, because cosine was negative in our third quadrant, cosine, or a reference angle, 30 degrees. And you can use your formulae and table book to find that cosine of 30 degrees is equal to, so we still have our minus, but it's equal to minus square root 3 over 2. And that is the final answer to our question.